Hi team. Today we are going to discuss about the CIS Data Foundation exam series DEMS and real exam series questions and answers. Totally, CIS Data Foundation has 75 questions and the time duration is 90 minutes. From June 26th is the last date for the application of CIS Data Foundation free certification. And from December 31st onwards, it will end the certification. Let's start with the questions and answers. The first question is, how is CMDB aligned to business process? We need to choose two options. Option A, extend service delivery to all departments. Option B, enhances decision-making and operational efficiency. Option C, enable CFO or CIO to track licenses. Option D, provides centralized view of CIS and relationship. So the correct answer is option B and option D. Enhances decision-making and operational efficiency and provides centralized view of CIS and relationship. So it means CMDB helps organization by providing a centralized view of all CIS and relationship and enabling better decisions and operational efficiency. The next question is, second question is, need to ingest third-party CIS into CMDB. Which method minimizes technical debts? Option A, table API. Option B, vendor provided integration. Option C, service graph connector. Option D, import sets and transformer. The correct answer is option C, service graph connector. It means service graph connectors, what it will do. So are standardized integrations and requires less maintenance and need less custom coding. It will reduce the technical debts. Next question. What is relationship between an application and a server? Option A, application runs on server, and option B, application used by server, and option C, application used by users and depends on server, and option D, application runs on server. The correct answer is application runs on server, because so application always runs on a server. So correct relationship is runs on. Next question. So how does CMDB admin ensures data quality associated with CIS? Option A, data quality business tool. Option B, CMDB workspace. Option C, data quality schedule job. Option D, CMDB audit business tool. The exact answer is option C, data quality schedule job. It means it will frequently automatically checks the ensure completeness, correctness, duplicates, stale data. Completeness means without it should be complete the data. Correct means without errors. Duplicate means we need to prevent duplicates, and by adding merging. Stale data means it's outdated data. So we need to rediscover the data by using stale data. Next one. So fifth one is technology management offerings used to populate support group of associated CIS. Which CSDM stage is? Option A, crawl. Option B, run. Option C, fly. Option D, walk. Option E, foundation. The exact answer is option B, run. So what run will do? Run stage focus on operations, support teams, and service usage. Next question. Question 6. Where are legacy state values and equivalent CSDM lifecycle values reviewed? Option A, lifecycle properties. Option B, lifecycle choice list. Option C, lifecycle mappings. The correct answer is option C, lifecycle mappings. It means, so it will convert the old states to the new lifecycle stages. Next one, question 7. Duplicate CI remediator selects in main CI. Which attributes are used? Choose any two options. Option A, oldest created. Option B, newest created. Option C, least related items. Option D, most related items. So the correct answer is oldest created and most related items. Option A and option D. Both two options are correct. It means oldest CI is a stable CI. So CI with the most relationship are the important CI. Next one. 8th one. Where can the CMDB admin obtain the CMDB and CSDM Data Foundation dashboard? Option A, free app on Innovation Lab. Option B, paid app on store. Option C, free application on the ServiceNow store. Option D, active by default. It's a free application on the ServiceNow store. Option C is the correct answer. It means, so it's not default, so must install from ServiceNow store and available as free app. Next one, 9th question. A CMDB admin notices a unique location result percentage is low. What is the recommended process to correct it? Option A, return matching standard name and delete duplicate directly. Option B, keep both locations. Option C, view both locations, update CIS with correct location and delete duplicate. Option D, use deduplicate CA remediator. The correct answer is option C, review both locations, update CIS with correct location and delete duplicate. So the option C is the correct answer, because it will validate the both records and update correct locations in CA and delete duplicates safely. Next one, 10th one. A CMDB manager wants to start adding CSDM domain design and planning into the CMDB. Who is involved in this exercise? Choose two options. Option A, application service owner. Option B, application owner. Option C, enterprise architect. And option D, business relationship manager. Here, enterprise architect is the correct answer and application owner also correct answer. So B and C. So application owner knows the application and enterprise architect will design the architecture. So these are the part 1 series. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Wish you all the best. And if you face any difficulties, please ask question in the comment. Thank you.